Alright, let's get started. So today I'm going to show you this little project I made. It was just to practice socket IO with Flask. I don't know, I found it pretty cool. So the website looks something like this. There's a little login form, then you can click submit. And then when it does, it basically allows you to chat and just a simple chat app, honestly, a chat web app. And I just want to show you this project because I've worked on it a little bit just to kind of figure out my way around Socket.io Flask, because I know the native module Socket like used it a lot to make like simple, like really simple like chat apps from the command line, but I wanted to integrate it with Flask, and what better time to learn a new like web framework than the time we have now, because I know a lot of us, not all, I know some of y'all are really busy, extra busy now, but I personally, speaking for myself, have gotten a lot of time with quarantine, so I decided to learn this, and I think it's pretty cool. I'll probably, if I end up showing if it's like this, then probably make it more aesthetically appealing. But let me know in the comment section down below if you would like to see me show you guys how to code it or do some series, whatever you guys want. I'll try to get to it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this project. I think it's pretty cool. Anyways, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe and share. That would literally be awesome. And as always, keep coding, right? That's what this channel's about. That was such a weird ending. I'm sorry.